Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process to transfer DoorDash money to Cashapp. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Dasher app. Once you've opened up your Dasher app, and then you're going to go to your menu tab there on the bottom. On the bottom right, you'll see the menu tab. Click on it and then go to account information. And from there, click on accounts and cards. And once you get here, so now select move money option and then hit on the see bank details. So now you need these bank details of your Dasher account. So take a note of this, and then once you have noted this down, now go to your open up your Cash App. So once you open up your Cash App logged in, and then now what you're going to do, you're going to link a bank option. So just go to the same process like how you normally link a bank account. So like your usual bank account, so select the link bank account option on the app and then select the bank account. So you can now, what you have to do is you have to enter the link the bank account details of your Dasher account. So you can manually look for the bank, or you can look for the bank through the app, or you can manually enter the details. So enter the details of your Dasher account, Dasher account, not your usual bank account, your Dasher account details. Okay, enter those details and then link the account to your Cash App. So once you complete this process, now that your Cash App is linked to your Dasher account, so now you can simply add money. So once linked, you can simply add any amount to your Cash App, okay, to your Cash App account from the Dasher account. Because when you add in money, so since your Cash App account is linked to your Dasher account, so money will be taken, will be deducted from your Dasher account and then added to your Cash App account. So this is how we can actually transfer money from your DoorDash account to your Cash App. So hope this information is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.